it's Wednesday. It's been raining and stormy, and it's probably about 1:30 in the afternoon. I was up at 9:30, got some Maccas for brekkie, and just had a really slow start to the day. Just about everything. No, I shouldn't say that. I'm just going to do updates and stuff. It's too hard to film everything that I'm doing. I'm about to start packing up the bathroom and sorting. Everything's all, I don't know if I said this in the previous clip or, yeah, I don't know if I said it in the previous clip. It's currently Tuesday today. Removalists come on Friday. I fly out to my destination on Saturday. The keys are going to be already in the apartment, and removalists will be coming Saturday afternoon to hand me back all my stuff. I'm arriving, on Saturday afternoon with all my stuff. So I've cleaned half of the lounge room and my bed. I don't know, my camera cut out and I don't know what you saw and what you didn't see, and I won't know until editing. But my bed's packed. I moved all the boxes from the lounge room to my bedroom. But then later on I'm going to move the boxes from my bedroom out to the lounge room in their assigned spots, knowing that the skirting boards and floors in that section have been cleaned. And then after that I'm going to work on the kitchen area, a few things that I've still in cupboards and stuff, because I use a tall boy as a bench. So yeah, I've just got a few things. It's more tidy up at this point. Most things are packed. There's a few things to sort through and actually put in boxes, but things are sectioned off, if that makes sense, yeah. So I'm just going to get straight into the bathroom and stuff. I'm just going to put all my bathroom stuff in this container. So bathroom related, it's going. So I'm not sorting anything right this second. Actually, I need to break this. Maybe it's all